hello everybody. I got a lock right here, and keys for the lock, and I don't know what this is, but it's something big, and we're gonna see if this can break the lock. And I got chain. I'm gonna hook it up to this chain right here in the middle or whatever. I'm gonna lock it up. So say that you're at a house or whatever, you lock something up, like say that you lock something up to your a chain, and you want to get it undone. We're gonna see if this can break, like open it or break it. Let's see. Nope. That was one hit. Gonna have it like this. Then you know. Nope. That was two hits. And we're gonna try this way. Nope, that's three hits. And let's try it this way again. Go like this. Nope, that's four hits. And try it this way. Nope, that's five hits, but seven hits broke this part off. Yeah. I'm gonna try it again. There's five hits so far. Five hits so far. Try it again. Nope, that was six hits. So yeah, I don't know. This might not be good, but we're gonna try it again. That was seven hits. That was seven hits. And then it is not easy to break. I mean, this is very, very hard to break. It's amazing tight now. And I don't know. Let's try again. I got a hit. Still not a single one. That was 9 hits. And this piece came off of this thing. And try it again. No. That was not. I'm not gonna count anymore. It takes a lot of hits, but I'm just gonna keep on going until we get this figured out. Yeah. Looks like this is peeling off right here. We're gonna do it again. Nope. Nothing so far. Can do it again. Nope. Nothing. Nothing. It's just peeled off. Just try pulling it off right here. And then do it again. Nope. 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 No! I'm so mad right now. Hopefully that works. No. All it did is cracked that piece right there. Took it off. And then try that again. Oh no. All it did is all it did is this. Right here. This part right here. Yeah. Kind of stupid. Let's try it again. No. Nope. I don't know. Let's try it again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. So I just hit it 5 times, like non-stop right there. And nothing. Ah. I'm gonna grab the keys, see if it's still unlocked. Hopefully it will. Yeah. This is damaged. This thing is super damaged. These are the pieces that came off of it, and this piece also. Yeah, that is really damaged. So, yeah. We're going to try it again, hook it back on there, and do that again. It's on there. Okay, it goes there. Okay, now let's try this again. Nothing again. Gotta do it again. Nothing. Now let's just so long to do this. I am getting so mad right now. Yeah. This will just not break. This guys will not break. You have to have something very strong to break these. Now, yeah. Now what we're gonna do is, hold on, I'm gonna get like a metal cutting saw. Hold up. And I'm back with the cutting saw. We're gonna try that. And kind of touch it. See the little gold part on it. It's got, it was first gold and now it's doing silver. Oh yeah. Thing, we're gonna try it again. We're gonna hit it with this. Let's go. Nothing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna see what else. See. But I cannot break this. Let's try it again. There. Can't break it. It's on there. Can't break it. Can't come undone. We're gonna try cutting it. I'm gonna get some gloves. Peel back with some safety tough gloves. And try this. So, do this. Try cutting this off. I want to cut it like this. Only cut that much of the drilling cut. Cut it. Yeah, this just won't cut. And do that again. Yeah. Barely even cutting. Don't know what's going on. But this so far is the strongest lock in the world, I guess. Because it won't break, yeah. This is just unbelievable. I'm gonna try it again. Oh. Wait. It's kind of broken. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do it. That up. Can't get it off. So I messed up. But yeah. We are going to end our video there for today. And, please, not please. Please comment. And, comment, subscribe, and like. Subscribe, and always subscribe for more of these videos. Have a nice day. Bye.